Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics, back with another project, and this is another pre-cut kit from Maywood Studio. Now, I introduced those to you a while back, but this is one of their newest ones. This is called Foursquare, and it's really fun. It's just 2 blocks. You have a half square triangle block, and you have 4 squares put together. They're calling that a Foursquare. You'll make 24 of the half square triangles and 24 of the Foursquare. Put those together in an arrangement to make this beautiful quilt. Now, this is the Burgundy and Blush collection from Maywood Studio, and as you can see, we've done some totes with that. Of course, we have the quilt behind us and more projects coming up. So this is a collection I absolutely love, and we'll be doing a lot of other pre-cut kits as well. So let's just talk about the kit first before we talk about how to make the individual half square triangle, the Foursquare, and then bring those in to create some larger blocks. This is what your kit's going to look like. Everything is cut out for you, including the binding. In the first generation of pre-cut kits from Maywood, the binding was not included, and it is now. You truly do not need a rotary cutter, a mat, or a ruler to do this project. That's so great, especially for a beginner. If you have a friend that's been interested in learning how to sew or maybe doing a project, invite them in to give them a shot at this. And of course, it's so easy. It's very it's a project where you're going to be successful. Now, inside the kit, of course, you're going to have your instructions. Let's look at that in a little bit more detail. One of the things that I always love is that it's full color, and they also have the pressing directions that they recommend are in arrows. In addition, on the back, you'll see if you want to grow your project to be something larger, maybe a lap size, a twin size, they show you how many kits that you would need to buy in the layout in order to get the size you might be looking for. One of the additional features about this pre-cut kit is if there's a triangle, they've even clipped off the tips of that so that you don't have the dog ears and have to trim those away later on. So as I said, there's 2 blocks. There's the half square triangle where you'll just be placing the 2 triangles together. So 1/4 inch, and you'll be pressing to the dark side. We've done that ahead of time. And you have your 4 squares, right sides together, 1/4 inch, right sides together, 1/4 inch, and of course you'll be pressing in opposite directions to make your block. So you'll have 24 of these and 24 of those. And I'll just show you how they recommend putting the quilt together. And again, this is a recommendation. You could, at this point, literally just make all of those as individual units and lay them out as you prefer and sew them together. They went ahead and they took 2 of the half square triangles and 2 of the 4 patch units, and they're showing you here in this direction where you lay those out here, and you'll have either the darks to the outside, like this, and that's what they consider to be their block B, is to the outside, and you would make 6 units like this. The only difference about the block A's is they simply rotate that with the darker portion is toward the middle, and you would make 6 like that. Then you'll of course sew those together to create the arrangement that we see behind us. Pre-cut kits, I'm busy, I'm a busy person, I'm sure you're busy as well. They are so much fun and they're so accurate. They take out all of the cutting, all the measuring, and you can jump right into the fun. So if you've never tried a pre-cut kit, I encourage you to give one a try, and we will see you next time with, again, more pre-cut kits from Maywood Studio using the Burgundy and Blush collection.